Opening 6 days of my fidget toy advent calendars, part 3. Okay, 13. The squishy ball. I'm not sure, but I think those are called DNA balls. Now, I could be wrong, but that is my guess. Ooh, a popper. I don't like these because I can't get them to pop and they hurt my hands because I have carpal tunnel, but Avea absolutely loves these. So she is definitely getting that. Okay, 14. Is that a mochi? Or just a squishy ball? Oh, it's just a squishy ball. Real clear squishy ball. And an orange one. Oh, I bet I know what these are. These are probably splat balls. That's probably what they are. So they're probably sticky. They're probably sticky splat balls. Okay, 15. Oh, we got a sneak peek there. I love these. Avea likes them too. No, I don't want sneak peeks. Don't want sneak peeks. So, okay, well, normally I'm used to the unicorn bracelets, but these are dinosaur bracelets. Blue and yellow. I like them because they're nice texture, and when they don't look like it, but when you feel them, they feel like you're petting fur. So I love these. And we get 2 more different dinosaurs. So these ones are both T-Rex, and these ones, one is a T-Rex and one is a Triceratops. My friend Lindsay would get a really big kick out of that one because we have like this inside joke about Land Before Time. She's Ducky and I'm Littlefoot because I'm little. Oh, that's cute. Little finger puppet alien. And it's in my favorite color. Hello, how are you? That's super cute. Okay. 16 is another little finger puppet alien. It's a different shape. Kind of cute. I'll figure out which one of A gets later. No, I don't want pickies. Stay in your own slot. I will get to you when it is your turn. Pop tube. Little mini pop tube. I love pop tubes. Another mini pop tube. So obviously not all of these calendars are the same, since there are things that I'm getting that aren't exactly the same. Was I doing another one? Let's see. 17. Yes, I was. I was doing 18. Okay. 18 is the last day. The last day for the 6 days. Let's just... Another elephant mochi. Yay. If I don't sound super enthused, it's because I did not sleep well. So, don't take it personally. It's not a reflection on the toys. It's just I didn't sleep all that great. And then another fishy mochi. Cool. Okay. So that's it for our fidget calendar for this week. Please tune back in for next week. Next week, 6 days. And thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.